definitely YouTube will pay you if you have the qualification, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Definitely YouTube will pay you. But how much does YouTube pay for 1 million views, right?
Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Today we have Abuja finest comedian, content creator, brand influencer, video director. This guy has over 26,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he has been earning on YouTube for the past 1 year plus with over millions of views. Not just one content, but different content and videos on his video. So he's the right person for us to talk to about how much YouTube pays for 1 million views. And that's why he's here to break it down for us and let us know more. Kindly welcome HS
HS Magic.
HS Magic. I just call it HS Comedy. I don't know. Maybe most of it's your niche or something.
Yo guys, this is HS Magic.
Okay, guys. Welcome to this episode. Today we're basically talking about how much YouTube pays for 1 million views. I don't know. No, this is something I want to get. I'm not yet there yet, but it's something I look up to. Something every YouTuber says. Something every YouTuber wants. The truth is that you're actually living the dream life, you know. But it's not easy. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Okay, now let's just go directly to the questions and
Okay.
hopefully give us justice to that.
Yes, I do. It is the justice of peace and compassion, the justice that desires to bring people together, not drive them apart.
I'll try my best.
As our boss. Okay, the first question is how does YouTube payment system work?
Okay, the thing is, how does YouTube payment system works? It depends on what you're actually doing. Definitely YouTube will pay you if you have the qualification, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Definitely YouTube will pay you. But how much does YouTube pay for 1 million views, right? So it depends on what you are doing in particular. So let's go to the next question. As time goes on, I'll get to tell you how much YouTube pay. I cannot just tell you YouTube pay maybe 1 billion and then you don't know the reason why YouTube pay you 1 billion. So as we move on with the question, you get to understand why I'm delaying not to tell you how much YouTube pays for 1 million views.
Okay. Now let's hit the nail on the head. How much money can you make from 1 million views on YouTube?
Okay, how much money can you make?
Yes.
So you can make ranging from maybe $500 to $5,000 or even more to $10,000 for 1 million views. So that's why I say it depends on what you are doing in particular.
Okay. Okay. So what's the difference between YouTube advertising models and how they affect earnings?
Okay, YouTube advertising model. When we talk about YouTube advertising model, it has like different categories. For example, now, if YouTube is giving a particular YouTube channel an ad, they are going to check what type of YouTube channel is that. Is it about finance or technology, which pays high?
Yeah.
Or is it comedy or different lifestyle, which pay a little bit higher but not as
Yes.
finance and technology? Based on that one is giving information, while this one is just entertainment.
Yes. Thank you for that. That's actually I like that answer. It broke down a lot of things. Lot of things. So the first one is how does YouTube algorithm impact earnings, and what can creators do to optimize their content?
Okay, when we talk about the earnings, now let's reverse to the first question you asked me on how much YouTube pay for 1 million views,
Yes.
right? So let's talk about two things at the same time. The niche depends on what you are doing. Now, if it is about finance and technology, which I mentioned earlier, they are going to pay you higher. And if it's about like comedy and the rest, they are going to pay you, but not as high as finance and technology. It still depends on the country you are. Like in US, if they are giving adverts, they might give an advert for $2. But in Nigeria, if you want to change $2, it's about 3,000 naira. But a Nigerian man can only afford maybe an advert for maybe 700 or 1.5, which is not even equivalent to $1 for Nigerian current exchange rate. So if you talk about the niche and how it's going to affect the particular YouTube, then you talk about the country also.
So our fifth question is, how do niches, audience engagement, and viewers demographic affect a channel's earning? And before you do that, there's this thing that people always advise. I see some YouTubers, or they say, oh, if you want to start your YouTube, you change your location to US or change your location to UK, that they pay more. I don't know, but how do that affect, how do the niche, audience engagement, and viewership affect channels earning?
Though I was not expecting the question, but I think I've already answered the question for the other question you asked. You
Okay.
asked though, but I've not explained it broadly. So talking about the niche and the environment, definitely, like as Mike Angel, I think he said it on one of his interview about YouTube. YouTube pays you more when the money is coming in dollar directly than coming in naira. You understand? And then the niche depends on what you are doing, which algorithm does you like do you want YouTube to send
Okay.
your video to? Is it aspect of knowledge, technology, finance, solving problem, or the aspect of having fun?
Thank you for that. This can you share a personal experience about your YouTube earnings and what you learned from it?
Okay, about my YouTube earning, definitely if I will tell you my YouTube earning, you might know the what my net worth.
No,
So I
that's
will just give you my is it my experience?
yeah, experience. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no,
Okay,
what you learned from it?
okay. What I learned from YouTube, I really learn a lot. Even before being a YouTuber, I do watch YouTube. That is my favorite app.
Wow.
Almost every day, like I'm on YouTube, just watching different content, different videos. So you watching YouTube alone, it makes you like it's even give you more knowledge because everything you are finding there is it like is it in YouTube. I think they said YouTube is one of the third most searched engine
Yeah, after Google and
after Google and
AI.
AI. So
Oh, that is true. Okay. Doesn't trust you guys, especially these evil genders. They want to kidnap Abuja top money making machine. So our next question is what are YouTube rules for monetizing video, and what mistakes should creators avoid?
okay, the rules are simple. Have your YouTube channel, have the what to post.
Yes.
Secondly, then maybe thirdly, don't which is particularly to what you should avoid. You should not copyright. You
Yes.
understand? So then definitely definitely you need to work on your watch hours and your subscriber, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So on the long run, don't copy other people's content and don't use other people's sound because there are a lot of licensed sound.
Yes. I heard that
Copyrights,
if you use
copyrights,
your sound, they can
copyrights.
easily take your money or something like that.
Yeah, they can easily ban your account from too much copyright and breaching the rules, which
Wow.
are like false comments, abusive type of comments, comment that might provoke people, or you just go on YouTube start posting something like something that children are not supposed to like watch.
But
You
I feel like
understand?
YouTube has that 18 plus
Yeah, it
and
has 18 plus, but it still depends. You cannot just show like blood or like
yeah.
killing of someone direct from YouTube. Like it depends on the
Okay.
kind of content. So
Wow. Thank you for that. So our next question is okay. What can YouTubers earn money beyond? How can YouTubers earn money beyond just ads?
okay, beyond just ad, there are like other external bodies aside YouTube that can pay you to like they can sponsor your video, they can pay you to promote their brand on your YouTube channel aside the YouTube. Aside you being the partner, like aside you being a partner program, being the
Yes.
partner program with the YouTube, they can actually pay you. So you can get deals outside a
Okay.
lot.
Okay. So the next one is how has YouTube partner program changed, and what do creators need to know?
So YouTube partner program does not actually change. Though the more we grow, the more things change and then the more different rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely like the thing did not change. You just have to just follow the rules. There's nothing different. It's just by abiding the rules.
Okay.
So it will make you be safe.
Okay. And our last question, please guys, if you are watching, kindly subscribe and let us know where you are watching from, and kindly drop your question for our guests. So because we always accept our invitation, hopefully for next time. So guys, the final question for this episode is, what advice would you give to a new YouTuber who wants to build a successful channel and earn a good income?
So just the thing is, the advice is just stay consistent. The first step is opening a YouTube channel. Once you have what you want to be posting, build on more ideas and be more creative. I think that is all.
Okay guys, this is the end of this episode and I hope you learned something. Kindly drop your questions in the comment section and let us know where you are watching from, and kindly subscribe, please. Thank you.
You guys
Subscribe.
subscribe to his channel
You have said it too. You have nobody see same from the my guy at the top.
and make sure you watch the next video.
Thank you. Go to the channel and check out more interesting videos on around this topic. You'll learn one or two from it.